A learning in mathematics.
Hello everyone, I am Ray Ayan Ortega Pelaez and I am going to discuss problem solving involving polynomials and scientific notation. Our topic is about solving problems involving polynomials and scientific notations. Okay, we have here our steps. The upset. U stands for understand the problem. Next, P stands for plan a strategy. The third one, S, solve the problem. And the fourth one, E, encircle the final answer. And the last one, you can trace and check back your solution. Okay, let's try an example. Okay, a rectangle has sides 2x plus 1 meters and 3x meters. What is its perimeter? So to start, don't forget to write the word solution. And we have here our first step. We will understand the problem, or we will write our given. So our given, the length is equal to 2x plus 1 meters, and our width is 3x meters. Now, the second step, P, or we will plan a strategy. In this step, we can make a diagram. So since the problem is all about rectangle, we will draw a rectangle. So this is the width, 3x. This is the length, 2x plus 1. Now, what is asked in the problem is the perimeter. The third step is we can now solve the problem. The perimeter, which is equal to 2L plus 2W. Now we will substitute the values of length and width. We have 2 times 2x plus 1 plus 2 times 3x. And we will simplify. We have 4x plus 2 plus 6x. Our final answer is 10x plus 2. Is that the final answer? No, because we need to write the label or the meter. Then the fourth step is we will encircle our final answer. And the last step, we will trace and check back our solution. So we have our length, our width, our diagram, and our final answer, 10x plus 2 meters. Now let's try another example. So, find the total surface area of the prism below. Okay, we have here our prism. Take note that the surface area of the prism is 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. Okay, don't forget to write solution. Our first step, the U. Okay, we have here our given. The length is 3x plus 1, the width is x plus 1, and the height is x. We are asked to find the surface area of the prism. Second step is plan a strategy, or we will make a diagram. But in this problem, the diagram is already given. Let's proceed to the third step. We can solve the problem now. We have the total surface area of a prism is equal to 2 times length times width plus 2 times length times height plus 2 times width times height. Then we will substitute. We have 2 times 3x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 plus 2 times 3x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 1 times x. Then we will simplify. We have 6x squared plus 8x plus 2 plus 6x squared plus 2x plus 2x squared plus 2x. Then we will combine like terms. We have 14x squared plus 12x plus to square units. Now, are we done? Nope, we are not done yet. Why? Because we need to write, or we need to encircle our, yes, our final answer. That's it. We're done. We are done for the polynomials. Now, let's proceed to scientific notation problems. We have here example number 3. How many hours is or are there in 5 seconds? Express the answer in scientific notation. Don't forget to write the word solution. That is very important. Now we have our first step. We have a given 5 seconds and we are asked to convert it into an hour. Then the second one, we have here the diagram. This is the process in converting from second to an hour. Then the third step, we can solve the problem. We have here 5 seconds times 1 minute over 60 seconds times 1 hour over 60 minutes. Then we will cancel out seconds, then the minutes. And after that, you will multiply 5 times 1 times 1 divided by 60 times 60. Then our final answer is 1.39 times 10 to the power of negative 3 hour. Then our fourth step, encircle the final answer. Then the last step, trace back and try to check if you forget something. Okay? We have now our last sample problem. Light travels at a speed of 1.86 times 10 to the power of 5 miles per second. If a light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, then how many miles are there in a light year? Here's our solution. The first step given 1.86 times 10 to the power of 5 miles per second. We will convert it into miles per year. We have here our conversion process, miles over second times 60 seconds over 1 minute times 60 minutes over 1 hour times 24 hours over 1 day times 365 days over 1 year. Then our next step, we will solve the problem. We have here the 1.86 times 10 to the power of 5 times everything. Then we will do cancellation, the seconds, the minutes, the hour, and the days. Then after that, we will do multiplication. 1.86 times 10 to the power 5 times 60 times 60 times 24 times 365 divided by 1. And we have here our final answer, 5.865696 times 10 to the power of 12, or 5,865,696,000,000 miles per year. Then we will encircle our final answer, and in the last one, we will try to trace back and check if we forget something. Now we're done.